colleagues, and all the students of Prestige Institute of Management, Gwalior. First, I would like to thank you all for joining us today. I, Professor Shikha Sharma, on behalf of Prestige Fraternity, would like to thank you all. We are pleased to announce the completion of 23 successful years of PIMG. During the course of our journey, we touched new heights in terms of educational and professional performances. Now, I would like to give you a glimpse of some of our accomplishments and key highlights of our illustrious journey over the last 23 years. Now, I would request Professor Ashwini to kindly share the introduction video of PIMG with the August gathering. So, please. Thank you, Ashwini sir. Thank you, sir. Student, please put yourself on mute. Now, I would request Abhay sir, Head Training and Placement, to kindly propose welcome note for Salish sir.
Thank you, Shikha ma'am. And very good afternoon to one and all those who are present there. Salish sir, very good afternoon. And again, it's a privilege to welcome you to your own institution. Like you are alumnus to our institution. So it's always being a pleasure to welcome you in the institute. And I know you know everything about Prestige. And the only one achievement which we have done last year, which might not be there in your knowledge, that we have our MBA program have been accredited with NBA, that is National Bureau of Accreditation, and it is one of the best agency who rates MBA program across the country. So now we are an autonomous NBA accredited NEC A accredited institution in the central India, and rest you know everything. I'll not be taking so much of time. Again, I would like to welcome you on behalf of entire teaching fraternity or entire Prestige. So, sir, welcome you here. And now I would like to request you to address the students on the scenario. Please, sir, over to you, Shailesh, sir.
Thanks, yeah. I was not getting unmuted. Yeah. Now I am unmuted. Hi. Okay. Let me introduce myself first, Anna, because the introduction which has been mentioned on the profile is wrong. I changed my job, but I'll start with myself. I studied. I am an alumni of PIMG itself. I am the second batch student. So if the institute is 23-year-old, then I am 22-year-old in the system. It is echoing here. Okay. So I'm 22 years old in the system now. So I know a bit about PIMG well, because being the part of institution from around 22 years of journey of institution, थोड़ा बहुत तो जानता हूँ. Secondly, I am the native of Gwalior itself. तो ग्वालियर होने के नाते तो थोड़ा सा एक अट्रैक्शन, एक प्यार मोहब्बत टाइप्स का तो इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ हो ही जाता है, बिकॉज बीइंग वर्किंग इन बीइंग स्टडिंग इन ग्वालियर एंड born and brought up in Gwalior, तो एक attention तो आ ही जाता है. The profile that has been mentioned is a bit different. Now I'm currently working as a Deputy Chief Operating Officer in Satin Credit Care. I'm a bit slow in updating my profiles in social media, so hence I was not being able to update the same. So this is my exact new profile. I got a call from Abed around couple of days back, and he was requesting if you can give some evaluate onto the COVID, pre-COVID, post-COVID, jobs available post-COVID. Just need to understand few things. If Abhay, you can unmute few of the students. Reason being, मुझको एक चीज समझना है आपसे. Yeah, or you can give me the glimpse of that. How many of the students are into the finance stream? How many of into HR, and how many of into marketing?
Sir, Shailesh sir, I just like to mention, like we have a dual specialization system, as you know. So all the students, those who are there in MBA final year, all will be having marketing as one of their specialization, and rest of the two specialization they can opt for. Like they can opt for market, the finance and HR as second specialization. So almost, if I'll say like 180 student will go for finance and 120 will go for this HR.
I'm talking about major and minor. The minor will be any second. I'm talking about the major subjects.
So major subjects will be like marketing will be the major specialization.
Okay, marketing is always major.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I won't waste your time further into this. I'll just, because I was just noting down, I was just thinking what sort of expectations do you have from me? See, I understand you are into the third semester of your college now. Being into third semesters, expectations बहुत होती हैं, plannings बहुत होती हैं, सोच बहुत होती है ना. MBA तो MBA करने के बाद we expect that yes, the job should be there. There are a good amount of opportunities still available, but what I'll do, I'll just give you a glimpse about, because I have not gone through any of the materials, to be very frank. I just thought I should be more so ever the clean thought process from my side to you. So what I can tell you clearly is कि हम लोग जो plan बनाते हैं, if I talk you about the plannings, if I talk to you about the any other things, एक simple लोग please कहीं note कीजिएगा. Even the most studied person, the most knowledgeable person, even the most important person of your life will not be able to predict your future. I'll just give you an example of COVID itself, because since we are talking about COVID at this moment of time. COVID was being introduced into the system in 2019 October. Okay, धीरे धीरे करके चाइना से फिर यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में उसने जाना चालू किया था. WHO, who was playing the key responsibility and key role in spreading the awareness about this COVID, even the specialized doctors, the specialized persons sitting in WHO, they were not able to understand कि कितना ज़्यादा serious disease है. Everyone was giving every day there was new rumors, new news coming out कि ये हाथ लगाने से फैल जाता है, ये हवा से नहीं फैलता, ये जानवरों से नहीं फैलता. So if you think and if you believe, why you change the screen here?
Sir, one of the student, Suraj Sharma, has shared his screen actually.
No problems. Okay. So if you think that, if you believe that You know all, or you are the master of your trade. I can vouch this and I can tell you this, even the highest educated person in the world is not the master of all the trades. What can give you the upper edge? The only upper edge can be given to you if you are learning your curve well, if you are uplifting yourself, if you are bouncing yourself back. I was going through few of the documents, few of the journals which I regularly read. And one of the journals started saying it was more so on WHOs. The journal was saying that India is the least affected country because the immunity system in India is the best. हम लोग मसाला बहुत खाते हैं, हम लोग मेहनत बहुत करते हैं, यहाँ गर्मी बहुत पड़ती है. So there was a big amount of study which was going into COVID. Now India is one of the worst affected countries. Population index can be one of the reasons because of that. Yeah, if you will compare the population with the number of persons who are getting affected, still India is under 10 position. But still, the number of cases increasing in India is again on a very higher side now. Again, if I talk about COVID, if I talk about the COVID again, since why I'm talking about all these things, the reason being that the preparedness post-COVID is very important. Okay. Hence, I'm giving you the glimpse about what COVID is occurring to us, what COVID is, how COVID is impacting us. Now, India is one of the least affected, highest affected countries now. Similar ways, when we talk about the highest retention ratios, highest survival ratios, it is again India first. So there are a good number of theories coming into the picture. And when we are talking about those theories, when we are talking about those implications of the things, none of the person can be rightly predicting what COVID is. When the COVID was started in India, I being into the financial institution, I being into a big BFSI industry at this moment of time, we were also not aware about what sort of impact it will be giving us. 23rd of March 2020, none of us was knowing that lockdown is coming. 24th morning, the lockdown started. Impacted a lot. Even the economy crashed. Crashed in the sense there were job losses, there were business losses. Economy was not getting any sort of amount which they used to get in the form of revenues and all. Okay. That impacted us a lot, not only to an individual, but also to the corporates.
अपडेट हो गया है Zoom?
I don't know. क्यों?
ये ऐसा क्यों आ रहा है?
कैसा?
चेंज हो गया क्या भाई?
ना, बिल्कुल नहीं.
Can you please mute yourself? Sorry, Shailesh sir, for this.
No props. Okay. So on 23rd, even we being the specialized person of the market, we were not knowing that the lockdown is coming and what sort of deep impact this will give to the country, to the organizations, to the corporate world, to an individual, to businesses, to service class. No one was knowing about it, and no one was able to predict the same. And when it started off, the shops were shut down. We were at home, working from home. तो शुरुआत के 10-12 दिन तो समझ में ही नहीं आया कि what are we doing. But believe me, I'm talking at this moment of time from the bottom of my heart. These last 3.5-4 months, when we spent the time at home, we had an ample amount of opportunity to introspect ourselves. And we introspected ourselves. We understand that this is a new normal now. When we as an organization, when we as an individual, when we as a corporate unit, when we as a country, when we as a city, when we as a state, we went through all those changes. We understand this is a virus, be cured at this moment of time. जैसे हम लोगों को आज भी पोलियो का इंजेक्शन लगता है, तो this is the same amount of thing. Till the time the vaccination is not available, we need to live with it. Hence, the journey started. And this is the way we started off the journey. I remember 3rd of May 2020, we started off again. But from March till May, it was a big impact this virus had given to us. Shops were closed, businesses were not happening. Okay, पर लोगों के पास पैसा नहीं था. We being into the financial organization, we require money from the customers. Moratorium period was on the line. Again, I am telling you again, reason being that you should be aware of what has this virus caused us. Though everything is available in journals, everything is available into आप Google करेंगे तो आपको सब चीजें मिल जाएगा. But as a practical scene, if I talk about, this virus has got a big amount of implication. It has thrashed the livelihood of the individual, if it has the livelihood of the employees as well. There were layoffs, there were terminations, there were downgrading of salaries, there were downgrading of employment, everything. These are the negative points, but more so ever I talk about the positive aspects as well. I am working since, if I am correct, 2002, I am into the job. और 2002 से लेकर 2020, which is 18 years more so ever. I have not spent such a quality time with my family from into the entire career of my life. 3-4 महीना घर पर रहा. So it was really one of the best time I have enjoyed with my family. कोई ज़्यादा वो नहीं था, घर से बाहर निकल नहीं सकते, घर के बाहर ही 24 घंटे लॉक होकर बैठना है, कुछ काम नहीं था. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होता था, जैसे हम लोग अभी वीसी कर रहे हैं एक, तो दिन में 2 वीसी हो जाती थी, 4 कुन कॉल्स हो जाती थी, 2 वीसी हो जाती थी, and the day was over. Now I got 24 hours, out of which 10 hours I used to sleep, 3 hours I used to have the con calls and VCs. Next 11 hours मेरे पास कोई भी ऑप्शन नहीं था अपने परिवार के अलावा. तो हमने सब कुछ किया. I learned cooking. मैंने झाड़ू लगाना सीखा, पोछा लगाना सीखा. And this is not my story. Yeah? This is everyone's story. Everyone's story. Any person who wants to contribute for the family, because we are working for family. Everyone who want to contribute for the family, उससे सब चीजें सीखा. Okay. So these 3.5 months, 4 months, if I talk about the positive aspect of this, I have relived my life again. जो अभी अभय ने बोला, शैलेश sir, you have changed your entire appearance. It is only because of these 3.5 months. समय नहीं मिलता था खुद के लिए. Now, what is next for you? If I talk about 3.5 months for myself, believe me, I've changed myself a lot, but I'll tell you about yourself as well. But let me give you a brief about what has changed myself. Since my childhood, I was into the affection of learning occult science. Occult science is more so ever the astrology, numerologies, okay, all these things. And within this age, with this sort of experience, within this corporate culture, I was not having the time to learn all these things. These 3.5-4 months has given me ample amount of time. एक सोचने का नजरिया, काम करने का नजरिया बदला. So I started learning those things. Though this is not a part of my profession, but being one of the affectionate thing for myself, I have started learning this. Now the same thing applies to you as well, those. You all, if I am correct, what Abhay told me in the morning when I was just have a brief discussion with him. There are 300 students in PIMG who will be passing out next year. Now, if everyone is having major as marketing and minor as HR or finance or IT, आप लोग जब मार्केट जाओगे तो उन 300 के 300 लोगों के पास एक ही डिग्री है. You all will be sharing the same sort of degrees, same sort of जो आपको experience है, same sort of जो आप लोगों के पास पढ़ाई है. उन 300 लोगों में से there will be couple of persons 5 10 15 20 30 35 I do not know how many of you are who will have some extra curricular knowledge as well. Now just put yourself in the front of a employer who is coming for the employment. अगर मेरे पास 4 लोगों की वैकेंसी है and I have got out of 300 persons, I am watching 10 students having some additional expertise as compared to the 290 persons. My first and obvious choice will be hiring those 10 persons. उसमें से भी I'll pick and choose because I have 4 options. Have you learned something? What are you learning? Will this learning give an impact on your future? It can be anything. Out of these 300 persons, I am pretty confident because I have seen PIMG earlier as well. Out of these 300 persons, I am pretty confident कि 50-100 लोग तो अपना business करेंगे. They will be entrepreneurs. तो अगर 50 लोग भी अपने entrepreneurship में चले जाए, there are left 250 persons. Now 250 employees, if having the same rank, same curricular activities, same expertise, same knowledge base, as a employer, I need to pick and choose. And if I'm picking and choosing someone, while going through the resume, while going through the profiles, I'll pick and choose the person who has got an expert advice, expert knowledge as compared to the other persons. Now, that expert knowledge can only come if you are learning something extra apart from what you are getting to learn from the college. Hope I'm clear. Reason being, till the time you are not bringing up your curve, if you till the time you are not adopting the culture, if you till the time you are not learning new things, आप obsolete हो जाओगे. Market is changing a lot. It is changing daily. Daily it is changing. किसने सोचा था? There are 5-7 industries अभी भी जिन्होंने positive trend दिया है. किसी ने नहीं सोचा था वो इंडस्ट्रीज पॉजिटिव ट्रेंड दे सकती है. मोबाइल मार्केट एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मार्केट्स में केवल एक ही सेगमेंट ग्रो किया है, दैट इज लैपटॉप्स एंड कंप्यूटर्स. व्हाई दिस मार्केट हैज ग्रोन अप? द वे वी आर डूइंग अ virtual meeting today, every school, every college, everywhere, even in the organization today, everywhere it is virtual meetings only. There are no physical attendance available. Now this virtual meeting has been possible only because with the help of laptops, with the help of computers. Yes, of course, the internet. किसी को उम्मीद नहीं थी कि this market will boom like this, and this market has grown multifold. FMCG. No one was thinking about FMCG. It was a flat market which was growing at a rate of 7 to 8% per annum. Flat market. If you will see FMCG market, it has in this COVID time it has grown 75%. Only in this COVID times, 3.5 months, 4 months. And what has been changed? Nothing. The only change is we are staying at home. Our dependency of cooking at home has increased. And since our dependency of cooking at home has increased, hence this FMCG market has multifolded. Dairy and subsidiaries, dairy allied activities, it has grown multifold. It has grown multifold again. The only thing was it was essential service. Essential service होने की वजह से उसकी सप्लाई जरूरी थी तो उसकी ग्रोथ आ गई है. फार्मा इंडस्ट्री, एक न्यूज़पेपर में when this COVID started तो आ गया था लिखा हुआ कि it was very big caption कि विटामिन सी और विटामिन डी की गोलियां लीजिए तो उससे आपके शरीर की इम्यूनिटी विल गेट इंक्रीज्ड. इम्यूनिटी बढ़ेगी तो आपको ये वायरस कम अटैक करेगा. Believe me, next day morning, my wife used to take vitamin C tablets as per the prescription of doctor. उसकी वो गोलियां खत्म हो गई. For this entire 3.5-4 months of period, मुझको एक स्ट्रिप नहीं मिला विटामिन सी का मार्केट में. I had to go and purchase homeopathy medicines for her. This was the demand which was being created. And all these sectors, Believe me, you can Google, you can do your own studies. All these sectors have increased immensely. It does not mean that my sector, which is the financial industry, has not grown. Financial industry sector has grown well, but not into the finance, but into the banking part. Banking part has grown ultimately. Finance has reduced, reason being due to the moratorium which has been given by the government. But if I exclude the moratorium period and moratorium part, banking industry has grown well at this moment of time as well. Again, why? It was an essential service. Now the person, they were into the spectacle or into a doubt ki where should they park their funds now, because mutual fund industry was not surviving. Okay, hence the entire mutual fund portfolio which they were investing has moved to banking. The banking industry has flourished. Blessing in disguise, if I talk about the financial industry, the blessing in disguise was it has also grown. Every industry, if you will talk about, except few ones, have grown well. Which few ones? Manufacturing unit has got a big hit. Reason being the laborers were not available. Okay, if I talk about entertainment unit, entertainment in the sense of the physical entertainment which we used to do, the bars and pubs and all, they got a big hit. Entertainment unit, if I talk about the televisions and all, the industry has grown. Despite we were watching the older serials, 3-4 महीने से कोई सीरियल तो बना ही नहीं नया. हम लोग पुराने सीरियल्स, वो रामायण इतना हिट हो गया जो हमने सालों पहले देखा था यार. इट वाज अ मल्टी बैगर स्टॉक. रामायण महाभारत सब बैठे बैठे सुबह को देखते थे. सुबह 8 बजे आता है यार, इसको देखेंगे हम लोग वापस, है ना. और मेरे बच्चे मुझको बोलते पापा आप क्या देखते रहते हो. So this has changed the entire scenario of market now. So don't believe and don't think कि ये मार्केट खराब हो गया है तो मुझको जॉब में क्या होने वाला है, मार्केट ऐसा है तो मुझको क्या होने वाला है. Believe me, take my words. If you are an expert, if you have got good learning curve, if you believe that you have got a upper edge as compared to your peer person, you will get the job. Companies still have vacancies, though my company does not have. We are laying off the employees at this moment of time. We are rationalizing our costs. We are right sizing ourselves at this moment. The correct word is right sizing. So I'm right sizing. We are right sizing ourselves at this moment of time. But pretty confident that within a due course of time, we will also have the substantial amount of jobs available. If I talk about myself, I have myself taken around 150 odd 100 लोग तो लिए होंगे अबे when I
Yes,
was
sir.
in Jana.
Yes, sir.
So-
अगर दोनों batches मिला लें तो it was more than 100.
More than 100, no? So we still have hired a good number of persons from Prestige. So depends ki what sort of market it is. Okay. This way is the only thing. Upskilling yourself, learning new things. Just understand what is your area of interest. Just understand what's the trend going on at this moment of time in the market. This is the only way you can achieve success at this moment. Though the market is tough. In last couple of months, we all have faced two different scenarios, two different markets. The first one was in 2016 when monetization happened. नोट बंद हो गए, 500 का नोट बंद हो गया, 1000 का नोट बंद हो गया. तब एक तकलीफ क्या था. The next is 2020. 2020 में अगेन ये जो तकलीफ आना चालू हुई कोविड की वजह से, बिजनेसेस वर डाउन, लेबर्स नहीं थे, entertainment industry was flat. It was not flat, it was into the minus. तो इन सब चीजों को अकाउंट करने के लिए you understand what sort of industry is going, what sort of industry is into the positive trend. Simple सा है, pharma is one of the industries. FMCG is the second industry. The third big industry which is growing up now is FMCD. I hope you must have heard about the FMCD word. FMCD more so ever is consumer durable. पहले यहाँ पे consumer goods आ जाता है, वहाँ पे consumer durable है. Consumer durable industry has started picking up the pace. लोग जो पिछले 4-5 महीने के अंदर नहीं कर पाए कुछ भी, they started picking up the pace. So FMCD is one of the new industry which is coming up. Okay, BPO industry again. BPO industry के फ्लैट होने का रीजन है कि वर्क फ्रॉम होम कल्चर बहुत ज्यादा चालू हो गया बीपीओ इंडस्ट्री में. तो BPO industry is flat. Manufacturing unit is coming up, but it is not into the same pace what it was into the early phases. Just pick and choose your organization, your industry, and work on the lines. I can vouch you this कि अगर आपको लगता है कि मुझको इस जॉब के लिए यही expertise चाहिए and you are carrying those expertise within yourself. Learning is very easy at this moment of time. You've got all sort of courses, free courses, paid courses. Every course is available on all the OTT platforms, on all the social sites. आपको Facebook से भी नया सीखने को मिल रहा है आजकल, LinkedIn से भी नया सीखने को मिल रहा है. Though I'm not available on Facebook, I'm a bit available on LinkedIn. That too on a very spectacle things. मैं आपको just I told you that I am not a social element. तो मेरा अभी भी that is two companies मेरा profile अभी भी डाला हुआ है. My profile is around 2 years old profile which has been published over there. I don't like publishing myself. तो might be because of this ये होता है. तो शायद अभी को भी इसलिए नहीं पता था. The only way which I can tell you is upskilling, learn new things, adopt the culture. Don't feel afraid. Don't feel afraid. Which is more important? Be positive. Everyone, I would recommend of one thing which you should do. एक मूवी है, if you want you can watch that movie. That is the soul heart of myself, and I have watched that movie around couple of times, not couple of times, 11-12 times. Whenever I feel a bit depressed, I used to watch that movie, and the movie is available across everywhere. The name of the movie is The Secret. If you will go through that movie, it will give you what positive thinking gives. Everything which is available in your heart, in your brain, is the positiveness of what you are thinking. Think positive, be positive, then only you will be able to succeed. If आज के ट्रेंड को हिसाब से अगर मैं बात करूं आपसे, if I'll give you the scenario of today's trend, क्योंकि मार्केट बहुत तेजी से इवॉल्व हो रहा है, मार्केट बहुत तेजी से चेंज हो रहा है. Networking is one of the key parameters today. Why networking is one of the key parameters? It's simple because the name of the movie is Chetan The Secret. 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 Is it fine now, Chetan?
Hello.
Yeah. Chetan chatted. He just want to know the name of the movie. It's a very good movie. हाँ, एक बार आप देखिएगा. It's available in both the languages, English and Hindi. और आज ऐसी I was just doing some YouTube things. तो जब मैं YouTube को देख रहा था, just the way I told you, I am more so going into the occult science. Yeah, Ayush, it is based on the novel. It has got all the things. So it is more so ever. It was basically a novel changed into a movie. और मूवी में भी उसके बारे में बताया गया कि how it reflects your life. Okay. तो I was just talking on जो आज का ट्रेंड चल रहा है. If I talk about today's trend more so ever is the networking trend. But I'll just excuse me for myself because I'm not into that culture of exposing myself further. Neither I'm just sitting on my bed and imparting the discussion. Reason being कि मुझको घर के अंदर घर अच्छा लगता है, ऑफिस के अंदर ऑफिस अच्छा लगता है. I don't like making my home as an office. और the time I used to reach home, I don't do business. 99% of time. हाँ 1 or 2%, 3% ऐसा हो जाता है मेरे साथ कि हाँ जब बहुत जरूरी होता है तो I used to go for the things. But if I talk about myself, if I've reached home, my laptop is down, my mobile is not working. कभी फोन आ जाता है या मैसेजेस वगैरह आते हैं तो दैट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. Otherwise, my nature of working is like this. Everyone does not have this sort of nature. I possess this nature, hence I'm telling you about that. Okay, so networking is very important. Now, since it is 23-year-old unit, 23-year-old organization, so quite possible, and it is but obvious that 300 students into 23 years will approximately 7,000 students who are currently working somewhere, minimum of. I would request you all कि आप उन 7,000 के स्टूडेंट्स को अपना प्रोफाइल जरूर भेजें, including me. I am also a student of PIMG. If there is anything positive available, we will surely refer you somewhere. Apart from this, Abhay and the team, the placement cell of Prestige, they are doing good. 12 lakhs per annum package. If I talk about myself, यहाँ पर what I was just going through, 12 lakh रुपए के packages मिले. 12 lakh rupees, if I talk about myself, after 10 years of my hardships, I went to do that package. 12 साल के बाद. And today on the day one of your career, if you are getting 4.5 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakhs rupees of amount, it is a big achievement. My first job started off 8,500 rupees. I was into the pharma industry. My first job started with 8,500 rupees, that too in 2002. उसमें 3,750 रुपए मुझको सैलरी आता था और 5,000 रुपए का या 4,700 रुपए का मुझको TA जो होता है वो आता था. तो my fixed salary that moment of time was 3,750 rupees. I had my few challenges. I had my few reservations. I had to start my career from Gwalior itself, though I had got good amount of opportunities available abroad as well as in outer parts of India. But I didn't went out. I was a bit attached. But looking towards today's generation and today's parental things, पिताजी माताजी को इतना टेंशन नहीं होता, बच्चा बाहर जा रहा है ना, जाने दो. मेरे समय ये होता था कि बच्चा आंखों के सामने होना चाहिए. हम लोगों का एक अटैचमेंट थोड़ा सा ज्यादा रहता था, मेरा खासकर ज्यादा था. तो we started over there. But if I talk about you, don't hesitate, and this is a guru mantra for you today. Don't hesitate moving outside. If possible, build your career from a big city. Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Delhi. Start your career from a big city. Reason being, the big city gives you good amount of exposure as compared to smaller ones. कुएं के मेढक की कहानी बात आपने लोगों ने सुना होगा. तो कुएं का मेढक में छोटी जगह का कुएं का मेढक रहता है. And if you want to fly big, if you want to really make your career, please start with a bigger city. Don't start with a smaller city. शुरुआत के 3 साल will give you good amount of exposure, good amount of learning, good amount of everything. Don't think that you are a native of Gwalior or you are a native of a smaller state. You want to go and work over there. If you want to build your career into service, तो आपका aim अलग है. Just for a time you want to pursue your career कि मुझको एक exposure मिल जाना चाहिए, उसके बाद फिर I want to do this, I want to do that. That's a different story. But if you want to pursue your career into service, and believe me, I'm just from it's very open statement. I've tried everything. I've tried business. I've tried service. Service is always better than business. जो मेरी एक लर्निंग रही है. हाँ, कुछ थ्योरीज आती हैं कि तुम पढ़ाई करो फिर मेरे लिए काम करो, कि मुझको तो मैंने तो पढ़ानी टाइप्स ऑफ बहुत सारी थ्योरीज हैं इसको लेकर. वॉरेन बफेट की एक थ्योरी है, बिल गेट्स की एक थ्योरी है, सबकी एक थ्योरी है. वेयर दे आर सेइंग कि यू हैव स्टडीड फॉर मी, नाउ आई एम यूटिलाइजिंग योर टैलेंट फॉर माय ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. बहुत सारी स्टोरीज हैं इसको लेकर, बट डिपेंड करता है. एवरी पर्सन कैन नॉट डू गुड बिजनेस, नाइदर वी हैव द बिजनेस एक्यूमेंट. में तो तब भी नहीं है. Okay, so there are few small tips that I can give you today if you want to build your career into the service industry. Yes, if you want to go into the business, if you want to be the entrepreneur, if you want to be your own boss, तो बात अलग है. फिर तो कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है, you might have decided your business. But if you want to pursue your career into service, or if you want to do the job, so simple सी चीज़, see, market is tough, everyone understands this. Market is a bit tough, everyone knows this, everyone understands this. और ऐसा नहीं है कि market ये ऐसा ही रहेगा. Now the new terminology for this market which is coming out to is the new normal. So this market is more so ever the new normal, and we have to live with this. ये बीमारी कभी भी शायद खत्म ना हो, लाइफ टाइम चलती रहे, because no one is able to assess the exact implications of this disease. आज भी इसके ऊपर स्टडीज, थ्योरीज, सर्वे सब कुछ चल रहा है. तो अपने दिमाग से हम लोग एक ही चीज सोच के चले, कोविड-19 है तो हमको तकलीफ जाएगी, तो कोविड-19 तो 2020, 2021, 2022 तक जाने वाला है, कोई नहीं कह सकते. तो आप अपने दिमाग से एक चीज को निकाल दीजिए कि यू आर इनटू द टफ फेज ऑफ द मार्केट. मार्केट हमेशा ही टफ रहा है. व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग एन एमबीए, हमारे समय में कॉलेज में प्लेसमेंट्स आते ही नहीं थे. वी हैड जीरो प्लेसमेंट दैट मोमेंट ऑफ टाइम. 2002 बैच पास आउट है, किसी भी स्टूडेंट से आप पूछ लीजिएगा, हम लोगों को क्वेश्चन, हम सभी ने जितने भी कहीं पर भी हैं, हम लोग कुछ एग्जीक्यूटिव्स हैं, कुछ मैनेजर्स हैं, कुछ कॉर्पोरेट एग्जीक्यूटिव्स हैं, एवरीवन इज देयर. आप किसी से भी पूछेंगे ना, एवरीवन हैज बिल्ट देयर ओन फेट. हमको कोई भी सपोर्ट, बैकएंड सपोर्ट कॉलेज की तरफ से, हमने केवल कॉलेज से एक डिग्री ली थी. फैकल्टीज वर मार्वेलस हु टॉट अस अ लॉट अबाउट मैनेजमेंट. लेकिन अगर मैं आपसे जॉब सपोर्ट की बात करूं तो देयर वाज नो जॉब सपोर्ट अवेलेबल दैट मोमेंट ऑफ टाइम टू अस. मैंने कैसे चालू किया? आई स्टार्टेड ऑफ विद अ वेरी स्मॉल जॉब बिकॉज आई वांट टू स्टे इन एमपी, आई वांट टू स्टे इन ग्वालियर. Then gradually I grown up. I upskilled myself. I learned a lot. I read a lot of books. Okay, success stories पढ़ता था, बहुत सारी चीजें की हैं लाइफ में, participations बहुत रहे. तो what the tips, few 3, 4, 5 tips which are into my mind at this moment of time, what I can give you today is, first, start your networking, which is more important. In today's world, networking is very important. आपको अगर किसी से बात नहीं भी करनी तो just for the sake of your upliftment, please do pick up your call and speak to that person. नहीं करनी ना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, के लिए करता है ना. Please do pick up the call, speak with that person. लड़ाई हो, दोस्ती हो, माफी मांग लो, because you want to build your own career. sorry. Sorry यार. Okay, तो उससे दोस्ती कर लो, build your networking. Have 20-30 persons in your list who can support you at the moment of time. दोस्तों के अलावा भी who can support you any moment of, because you do not know when you will be requiring their support. Okay. Second is have some relevant knowledge of the things, have some practical realities of the things. वो कैसे आएगा? कहीं इंटर्नशिप कर लीजिए, पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स होते हैं, पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स देख लीजिए, because you still have approximately 7-8 months to complete your degree. अभी बचा है ना इनका 8-9 महीना बचा है ना अभी?
जी बिल्कुल सर, बचा हुआ है अभी तो. दे आर इनटू थर्ड सेमेस्टर, अभी तो थर्ड और फोर्थ पूरा ही बचा हुआ है.
तो 12 ही महीने बचे हुए अभी तो,
12
एक साल पूरा बचा है आपको.
बिल्कुल.
तो स्टार्ट सम इंटर्नशिप्स, स्टार्ट सम पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स. पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स और इंटर्नशिप्स उसी में ही करिए द एरिया विच इंटरेस्ट यू. ऐसा मत करना कि आपको एरिया पसंद है फार्मास्यूटिकल्स का और आप जा रहे हो टेलीकॉम में, मजा नहीं आएगा. You will not be able to give your 100%. Okay. Pursue your career, जो आपको पसंद करना है. हाँ, आगे का कैरियर कहाँ जाता है कहाँ नहीं जाता, दैट इज अ सेकेंडरी इशू. लेकिन आज आपको जो पसंद है, जो फील्ड आपको पसंद है, प्लीज बिल्ड योर कैरियर इनटू दिस. एक स्टेप आप आगे बढ़ोगे तो एक स्टेप वो अपने आप ही आगे बढ़ेंगे, ऑटोमेटिकली होता है. कंडीसिव थ्योरी में आता है कि ओके, लर्निंग, उसके बारे में पढ़ना, उसके बारे में जितनी नॉलेज आप हासिल कर सकते हो, जितना आप ज्ञान ले सकते हो उसके बारे में, प्लीज डू अंडरस्टैंड द निटी-ग्रिटीज, implications, सॉफ्ट पॉइंट्स, हार्ड पॉइंट्स, स्ट्रांग पॉइंट्स, नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स, पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स, जो कुछ उसके बारे में होता है, बस जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड, जस्ट लर्न, because whenever there will be a comparison between two persons, the best person will win, the knowledge will win, and if you are more knowledgeable, but obvious, you will be the sure winner. Okay, third is very important for all of you, is when I used to take interviews in PIMG, I have observed this कि communication skills में बहुत लोग पीछे हो जाते थे. तो just start upbuilding your communication skills in the sense, अपने आप से बात करो, आईने के सामने खड़ो के दोस्तों से बात करो, नई बुक्स पढ़ो, अपने नॉलेज को एनहेंस करो. जब नॉलेज को एनहेंस करोगे तो बोलने की ताकत आ जाती है. एंड डोंट हेजिटेट स्पीकिंग विद एनीवन. यू माइट बी रॉन्ग, यू माइट बी राइट, सामने वाला भी तो आपको नहीं पता ना सही है गलत है. डोंट हेजिटेट स्पीक विद एनीवन, बट just control your communication skills. What you are speaking on, how you are speaking on is very important. Prepare for interviews. Okay, एक सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस होता है इंटरव्यूज में जो कॉमन होता है सबके लिए, और वो जो 5, 7, 10 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं ना, इनिशियल क्वेश्चंस जो होते हैं, दैट फिट द एंटायर परसेप्शन, बंदा कैसा है. वो 4-5 आपने सवाल सही दे दिए शुरुआत के, उसके बाद फिर आपके जो टेक्निकल नो हाउ होता है वो आगे का रहता है. बट इनिशियली जस्ट टू गिव अ कंफर्ट जोन टू यू, एवरी रिक्रूटर आस्क सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस, मोटा व्हाट्स योर नेम, क्या कर रहे हो, कैसे कर रहे हो, व्हाट्स द प्लान. ये बेसिक क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जो वो टू कम ऑन द मेन टॉपिक. खुल गए एक बार ढंग से बात कर लिया, देन आई कैन वाउच योर जॉब इज सिक्योर्ड. ओके, एक which is the last one for as a tip to all of you is think, प्लान करो, बहुत अच्छा प्लान करो, लेकिन ओवर प्लानिंग मत करना. ओवर प्लानिंग आपके दिमाग में क्योस पैदा कर देगी, कंफ्यूजन पैदा कर देगी. जितने एक प्लान कर लिया दैट्स ओवर. अब उस प्लान को एग्जीक्यूट कैसे करना है उस पर ज्यादा काम करना, प्लान के ऊपर ज्यादा काम मत करना. एग्जीक्यूशन इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट एज कंपेयर टू प्लानिंग. तो ये बेसिक चीजें हैं जो आप लोगों के लिए बहुत काम आएंगी. मेरे को तो आज तक काम आती है, मैं आज भी इन सब चीजों को जरूर करता हूँ. whenever I'm going for any sort of interview or any sort of assessment, मैं उस चीज को जरूर पढ़ता हूँ, उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में जरूर पढ़ता हूँ, काम कर रही है, हु इज द टॉप मोस्ट लीडर ओवर देयर, उसने क्या क्या किया है, उसकी गूगल करता हूँ. गूगल के पढ़ने के बाद उसकी सारी चीजें पढ़ता हूँ कि लास्ट 10 years में क्या क्या उसके अकम्पलिशमेंट्स हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के, एज ए लीडर हु इज द मेन ओवर देयर, उसके बारे में पढ़ता हूँ. बट टिल द टाइम आई एम नॉट नोइंग अबाउट द पर्टिकुलर थिंग, आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू स्पीक ऑन दैट. ठीक है, तो आई विल आल्सो रिक्वेस्ट यू, आपका जो भी सब्जेक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट हो, जस्ट स्टार्ट स्टडीइंग ऑन ऑल दोस पॉइंट्स. Now coming on to the main topic which Abhay asked me to speak on is the job opportunities. See, job opportunities कभी भी मार्केट में जाएंगी नहीं, कभी भी नहीं जाने वाली. Every day, every hour, every month, every week, the jobs are available in market. Jobs कभी भी खत्म नहीं हुई. But how relevant you are for that particular job matters. How appropriate you are for the particular job, it matters. अपने बारे में सोचना, XYZ, it can be Shailesh Kukreja as well, it can be anyone. आप अपने बारे में सोचना and compare yourself with other persons studying. If you believe you are the best of the lot, the job is for you. If you are sure you are best of the lot, the job is available. If you are sure that you have got good amount of knowledge available, you have upskilled yourself, you have got the job. But if you are an ordinary person, if you don't think beyond the box, you will have challenges. Your upskilling, upbringing yourself, understanding the things, knowledge enhancements, reading new things matters a lot. And believe me, this is the age if I talk about myself into the Prestige, I was a very mediocre student. Very mediocre student. I'm not a very great student. My average percentile in MBA was 66%. मैं ज़्यादा नहीं थी. 2002 के पास हिसाब से तो बहुत ही कम थे. But life post college, I took it very seriously. I understood the things. मैंने बहुत धक्के खाए. I understood the things. I understood the ground realities, and I started acting on this. And believe me, that moment of time, there were no social media, no WhatsApp, no Google. हमको जो कुछ करना होता था अपने हिसाब से करना होता था, कोई सिखाने वाला नहीं होता था. And I being into the Sindhi community, हमारे पास मेरे यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग थे सब बिजनेस के हैं. Everyone was into business. तो दोस्त लोग भी बहुत बिजनेस पे चले गए, जो अच्छे दोस्त लोग थे वो बिजनेस पे चले गए. तो we started off with myself, my counterparts और Prestige का that was the second batch. तो मेरे जो seniors थे वो कोई alumni भी नहीं था. तो we had a big tough fight in the market. But that should not happen to you. And the only method मैं आपको बार-बार बोल रहा हूँ, adopt, upskill yourself, learn and make it a habit. या आप 4 चीजों पे काम कर लीजिए, the life is over. Believe me, you will have very easy, comfortable, cozy life ahead your career. अबे सर, I am done. आपको कुछ और पूछना है तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं सर.
Yes, sir.
Anyone who has got any questions, I am open for the answers. I don't have any issues.
Thank you, Shailesh sir, for moving to the next segment of the webinar. What we have done is we'll allow students for next 15 minutes to ask them what they
कोई
can
दिक्कत नहीं सर.
type their questions in the chat box, and we'll take those questions. So
अगर वो पूछ भी लेंगे मुझसे
queries, you
1 to 1
can
सर,
type those.
मुझसे 1 to 1 भी पूछेंगे तो मुझे कोई तो घर के लोग हैं.
You can ask your question. You can raise your hand, we'll unmute you, and then you can ask, or you can write your questions in the chat box. We'll include it in the session. Yes, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Is it like we don't have any question? It was all clear and sorted? You can also write your question in the chat box. We'll take it.
We'll not be waiting more than 30 seconds. If they have any query, they can type it. Otherwise, we'll go to the end part of the session webinar.
Yes. I'd like to include one thing, sir. Meanwhile, student can write the question. Thank you so much, sir. You really took us through and spoken very well about the pros and cons and lows, positive sides of this pandemic situation, and how the student can groom themselves in order to remain ahead and achieve the cutting edge and excel in their respective field. After getting across all these points, students will definitely be able to make the most of the situation and get ready and get up for their career ahead. And they'll also help to understand and restructure and reframe on their strategies, planning and aspiration and the mindset. So thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time. Meanwhile, I think we
there
have
are a few questions now.
Yeah. There is a question from Dalip saying, he wants to know that I am a science student and interested in finance, but I am at par in it. Should I opt for it? He's a science student and interested in finance. So
MBA, but there is no science now. He might have done the finance.
Graduation he's talking about, sir.
Yes.
He might be talking about graduation. In UG, he might have done this science. BSc,
what?
Undergraduate program, he might have done BSc, na, so science background.
He might have the science background, so he just want to ask like he can go with the finance option later on.
See, Dilip, if you believe that you understand finance good or it is one of the interests for you, then you can surely go for that. जो ग्रेजुएशन में फाइनेंस होता है, मैंने बीकॉम किया हुआ है और बिलीव मी बीकॉम में मैंने कुछ भी नहीं सीखा. जो कुछ भी हम लोग सीखते हैं ना वो एमबीए में आने के बाद ही सीखते हैं। बीकॉम में एक ही चीज इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, वो कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग होती है। कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग एमबीए में भी आ जाती है आपके पास।
Yes.
यू कैन लर्न।
There is another question. Thank you so much, sir. There is another question from Surbhi Sharma. She wants to know how much scope of human resource as a career there is after COVID scenario.
सुरभि, सिंपल सी चीज है ना, प्लीज। ह्यूमन रिसोर्स एचआर बेसिकली इज मोस्ट ओवर द इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। हाँ, एचआर में एक ही चैलेंज रहता है, देयर आर लिमिटेड वैकेंसीज इन एचआर, एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट ऑपरेशंस एंड सेल्स द वैकेंसीज आर हायर। तो एचआर में स्कोप के लिए देयर विल बी नो स्केलेसिटी, देयर विल बी नो शॉर्टेज ऑफ एचआर रोल। डिपेंड्स अपॉन हाउ यू आर अपस्केलिंग। मैं अपस्केल पे बार बार इसलिए बात कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज सुरभि एचआर का एक लिमिटेड स्कोप है। आज की तारीख में एचआर में अगर आपसे बात करूं, एचआर में पहले चालू होता था केवल एक सिंपल चीज होती है कि मुझको सैलरी देना है, तो वो एचआर के थ्रू प्रोसेस होता था। दैट सेम हैज बीन चेंज्ड। फिर आ गया टैलेंट एक्विजिशन हायरिंग, तो उसको एचआर टीए कहते हैं। फिर आता है एचआर बीपी, एचआर बिजनेस प्रोसेसेस। फिर आ गया अब एचआर में ट्रेनिंग। फिर आ गया एचआर में एडमिन। So there are good amount of scope which are working in HR stream at this moment of time. HR अपने आप में there is good amount of options available, opportunities available in HR. I was going through LinkedIn yesterday evening. Okay, LinkedIn में believe me there are approximately 13-14 vacancies only for HR, only for HR. जो लोग कमेंट करते हैं, जो लोग वैकेंसीज पोस्ट करते हैं, उसी की मैं बात करूं। 13-14 वैकेंसीज जो मुझको दिखी, जो मेरे नेटवर्क में है, और मेरा नेटवर्क इज वेरी स्मॉल, देयर आर ओनली 551 कनेक्शंस इन माय नेटवर्क, मेरे पास ज्यादा भी नहीं है। तो 50 में से 15 अगर वैकेंसीज केवल एचआर की होंगी तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द स्कोप इज अवेलेबल। Scope in any of the stream, if I talk about finance, if I talk about marketing, if I talk about operations, if I talk about HR, the scope is unlimited, the scope is available. ये मत सोचना कि इस स्ट्रीम में स्कोप खत्म हो गया तो मैं इस स्ट्रीम छोड़ देता हूँ, नहीं, किसी भी स्ट्रीम में स्कोप खत्म नहीं हुआ है। सिनेरियो थोड़ा सा टफ हो गया है बस, और कुछ भी नहीं है। दूसरे सेंस में बात करूं, आपके प्रेस्टीज कॉलेज से ही मैंने बहुत स्टूडेंट्स लिए हैं जो कि फाइनेंस के थे, जिन्होंने फाइनेंस में स्पेशलाइजेशन किया था, एंड दे हैव डन अ बिजनेस जॉब ऑफ बिजनेस इन माय ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अलोंग विद मी। डिपेंड करता है कि आप किस तरीके से अपनी जॉब को रोटेट करना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज वी वर इनटू द फाइनेंस इंडस्ट्री, दे हैव चोजन आवर इंडस्ट्री इनटू द फाइनेंस, बट दे आर डूइंग द बिजनेस जॉब। डिपेंड करता है।
Yeah, Shalisa, there's another question. I'll take that question. Like a student, they're asking, what type of financial skills industry want from an MBA student to get the job immediately after MBA?
देखो, अगर इमीडिएट जॉब की बात करेंगे तो अभी जन्म पत्रिका पंडित जी के पास ले जाना, उससे पूछना सर मुझको नौकरी मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी, है ना। इमीडिएटली तो कुछ नहीं होता। यस, व्हाट मैटर्स इज फाइनेंस की। इफ आई टॉक अबाउट, देयर आर टू डिफरेंट फाइनेंस जॉब्स। द फर्स्ट वन इज फाइनेंस में जो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स की जॉब होती है, कि आप अकाउंटेंसी वगैरह कैसे कर सकते हो। द सेकंड वन इज कि मुझको फाइनेंस स्ट्रीम का नॉलेज है एंड आई वांट टू बी इनटू द सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग जॉब। आप किस जॉब की बात कर रहे हो? पॉइंट वन। अगर आप अपने बैकएंड जॉब की बात कर रहे हो तो यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड द एंटायर सिनेरियो ऑफ द अपडेट्स ऑफ द अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम्स, जीएसटी इम्प्लीकेशंस क्या हो रहे हैं, कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग क्या हो रही है, आपको पता होना चाहिए। अगर आप सेल्स की बात कर रहे हो तो यस, सेल्स में आज की तारीख का सिनेरियो क्या चल रहा है, क्या मार्केट के सीन्स चल रहे हैं, गुड बिजनेस स्टोरीज जिसे हम लोग कहते हैं, वो स्टोरीज का आपको क्या ज्ञान है, वो बेसिक बहुत ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए होता। वी डोंट एक्सपेक्ट मच फ्रॉम अ फ्रेशर, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, वी डोंट एक्सपेक्ट मच। व्हाट वी एक्सपेक्ट इज, जो भी आपसे बात हो रही है, हाउ कॉन्फिडेंट आर यू विद दैट पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट एंड टॉपिक। कोई बहुत ज्यादा मुझसे, मैं आपसे थोड़ी एक्सपेक्ट करूंगा कि यू शुड बी टेलिंग मी कि भैया यू बिकम शैलेश एंड यू विल बी गिविंग मी द आंसर कि भैया इस फील्ड में टीम मैनेजमेंट में क्या होगा या इसमें क्या होगा. यू वी आर नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस फ्रॉम यू. व्हाट वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग, व्हाट यू हैव लर्नड, आर यू रेडी टू अडॉप्ट दैट एंड इम्प्लीमेंट दैट एट फील्ड. अगर आप उसके लिए तैयार होते हो देन यू आर ओके फॉर द फील्ड, यू आर ओके फॉर द जॉब. बहुत ज्यादा चीजें नहीं होता उसमें. प्लीज डोंट कंफ्यूज योरसेल्फ. मैं आपसे क्यों पढ़ने की बोल रहा था आप समझिएगा. अगर आप जॉब की ही बात कर रहे हैं मुझसे और फाइनेंस की ही बात कर रहे हैं, फाइनेंस में एक सब्जेक्ट आता है एनएसडीएल का, नेशनल सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिटरी लिमिटेड. ये फाइनेंस का सब्जेक्ट है. NSDL will always give you a push as compared to others. अगर किसी के पास NSDL नहीं है और आपके पास NSDL है तो that will give an enhancement to your resume. नेशनल सिक्योरिटीज डिपॉजिट लिमिटेड अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा सब्जेक्ट है. बट आपके पास आपके नॉर्मल एमबीए के अलावा व्हाट स्किल्स, व्हाट कैपेसिटीज आर यू कैरिंग अलोंग विद योरसेल्फ, दैट वाज आई वाज ट्राइंग टू टेल यू. आई होप आई हैव आंसर्ड.
Yes, sir. Sir, next question or almost the last question, like what apart from communication skills recruiter look at in the candidate at the time of selection
अरे नहीं
process?
देखते रे, नहीं देखते वाकई में. एनीवन हु हैज आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन नहीं देखते. सी एज अ फ्रेशर इफ आई आउट, जब आपका रिज्यूम मेरे पास आता है ना तो मैं आपसे रेलिवेंट क्वेश्चंस करूंगा आपके रिज्यूम को लेकर. मैं आपसे इररेलेवेंट क्वेश्चंस नहीं करूंगा कुछ भी. मैंने आपके रिज्यूम में देखा कि आपकी एक्सपर्टाइज ये है, कोर एक्सपर्टाइज ये है, आपने लिखा कि मेरे को ये चीजें आती हैं. मैं आपसे उसके बारे में पूछूंगा ना. आपने जो 2 साल में रिज्यूम अपने एमबीए में सीखा या आपने जो ग्रेजुएशन में सीखा उसके बारे में पूछा जाएगा. आपने अगर कोई इंटर्नशिप की है तो आपने समर इंटर्नशिप में क्या सीखा उसके बारे में पूछा जाएगा. ग्लोबल ज्ञान नहीं पूछा जाएगा इस एज पर. ग्लोबल ज्ञान तब पूछा जाता है आपसे जब आप एक जॉब कर चुके होते हो. उसके बाद फिर आपसे पूछा जाता है कि आपने उसमें सीखा क्या, व्हाट इज द एक्सपीरियंस, व्हाई डू यू वांट टू चेंज, क्या था वहां पर, क्या क्या आपने सीखा, व्हाट आर यू ब्रिंगिंग अलोंग विथ योरसेल्फ टू अस, हाउ कैन यू बी ऑफ हेल्प टू द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. वो सब तब पूछा जाता है. आज जो पूछा जाता है, मैंने आपसे एक चीज बहुत कैटेगरीली बोली थी, प्लीज स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. द मोर कॉन्फिडेंट यू आर, बेटर कैंडिडेट यू विल बी.
Very true, sir. So, shall are we done with the question answers?
Yeah, ma'am.
You know,
Shailesh sir, just to give a break to
एक चीज मैं आपको फाइनली बोल देता हूँ सर, एंड आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन टू राइट दिस ऑफ. अगर आप लोग लिख सकते हैं कहीं पर भी. मैंने जबरदस्ती इस पॉइंट को लास्ट के लिए छोड़ के रखा था. एक वर्ड होता है कोपेबिलिटी, COPABILITY. इन टुडेज सिनेरियो एक लास्ट में क्वेश्चन है चेतन घड़गे का, व्हाट विल बी द चेंजेस इन जॉब प्रोफाइल्स इन पोस्ट कोविड-19. मैं उसके बेसिस पर एक जवाब दे रहा हूँ. कोपेबिलिटी इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन कैपेबिलिटी. इसका मतलब समझने की कोशिश कर लीजिएगा. आप लोग उसको गूगल कर लीजिएगा. इट विल गिव यू द करेक्ट सिनेरियो. इफ यू कैन कोप अप विद द सिचुएशन, योर कैपेबिलिटी विल राइज. So capability is more important than capability at this moment of time. If I talk about COVID-19, आप लोगों को सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट का जो एक उदाहरण कई बार आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा, है ना. in your management also it might have been shared with you. If you will be able to cope up with the problems, solutions automatically आ जाएंगे आपके पास. And if I talk about the job profile, there is no change in job profiles. हाँ, थोड़ी सी जॉब वैकेंसीज में ये जरूर हो गया है. if एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल अगर मैं आपसे दूं तो वर्क फ्रॉम होम का कल्चर ज्यादा आ चुका है, डिजिटाइजेशन का कल्चर ज्यादा आ चुका है. I was just going through Accenture. Accenture is one of the leading organization. उसके एक जर्नल के ऊपर I was just going through and Accenture is saying that we will be start building our team into the investments what we have made in the past, more so ever into the digitization phase, more so ever into the iCloud phase, more so ever into the artificial intelligence phase. तो इसका मतलब ये हो गया कि अब जो नई वैकेंसीज आने वाली हैं वो डिजिटलाइजेशन पे ज्यादा आने वाली हैं, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस पे ज्यादा आने वाली है, iCloud पे ज्यादा आने वाली है. जो पहले मैनुअल काम होता था अब इस पे काम होगा. तो अब आपका जो एक्सपर्टाइज है वो उस पर जाना चाहिए, सिंपल सी चीज है। कोई जॉब में चेंज नहीं हुआ, बस जो कल्चर है और जो नई चीजें हैं वो आपको अडॉप्ट करनी है, सिंपल सी चीज है। यस सर।
Okay. Thank you, sir.
That-
Thank you, sir. Meanwhile, in this session, we have with us Navita ma'am has also joined the session.
अरे
Navita Nathani ma'am, she is a HOD management and professor there in the institution. So, ma'am, you can hear us. Ashwini sir, can you please unmute ma'am?
I know this institute from last 22 years. Navita Didi, she is my sister from last 35 years, Didi.
Yes. Hello, Shailesh. How are you?
I am good, Didi.
Actually, I got this message on our PFS group that your session was going on. So I requested Ashwini sir to include me in this section.
Thank you, Didi. Thanks a lot.
So how was the question of the students? How did you find our session?
जी सच बोलूं तो मैं बाकी और कॉलेजेस में तो जाता नहीं हूँ.
अच्छा.
This is only college. I don't know what sort of questions other colleges to raise. बाकी जो नॉर्मल क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वही वैसी क्वेश्चन है दीदी.
ओके. क्या सिनेरियो है? कितने कैंपस ले जाने वाले हो इस बार?
हाँ, अभी मेरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अभी कैंपसेस नहीं हो रहे हैं. तो we have just hired few XIMS and IIMs. तो अभी tier 2 कॉलेजेस के नहीं आए.
Okay, Abhay sir.
हाँ जी ma'am, thank you so much ma'am for joining us. I thought of listening some from you also. Thank you so much for joining us. Ashika, you can continue with the session.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now, I ask Ashwini sir to kindly propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Shikha ma'am, for providing me the opportunity to propose a vote of thanks. Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A very good afternoon to one and all present over here, my faculty colleagues and all my dear student watching this session on Zoom. By this, we have come to the end of the session organized under the banner of Training and Placement Cell of Prestige Institute of Management, Gwalior, and I feel extremely privileged to propose a vote of thanks. I would like to extend my gratitude to our very respected speaker of the session, Mr. Shailesh Kukreja ji, from Swadhara Finser Private Limited, for taking his valuable time out from his very busy schedule and blessing the occasion with his presence. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to thank to our head of the department, Professor Abhay Dubey, for his continuous support and guidance during the whole journey of this webinar. Thank you so much, Abhay sir. I would like to thank you to Training and Placement Officer, Professor Shikha Sharma, for moderating the session very effectively. Thank you so much, Shikha ma'am. Also, I would like to acknowledge my gratitude to all the student volunteers for their contribution in this session. Thank you to all the student volunteer. Thank you to all for being a lovely audience. Shailesh, we are looking forward to continue this professional relationship with your organization in future course of time also.
I'll surely try my level best. And when you said that I am a bit busy, I am not at all busy, to be very frank. The time I have reached home, I am the lone person. मुझको कोई काम नहीं होता. इसके अंदर ही काम होता है सुबह 9:30 बजे से 6:30 बजे तक. उसके अलावा I am a free person.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to request respected Abhay sir to kindly allow us to wind up the session.
Yeah, definitely, sir. Definitely, we can wind up the session. Shailesh sir, thank you once again on behalf of entire Prestige for joining us today on the webinar. Thank you.
Thank you so
Very
much.
much.
Sir.
Thank you so
everyone.
very
Thank
much.
you, sir. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Thank you.